Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome back to another video of Element Solutions. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can install Docker in your Windows machine. So to install Docker, all you have to do is that just go to any web browser and search Docker download. So once you do it, like you will be getting like the first link wherein you will be getting a Docker download sort of option. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. So if I just quickly show you, like you just have to search like Docker download, and you just need to click on the first link, that is basically Docker desktop. Once you click on this one, and you will be redirected to this same page. And now as you can see that we have this option like download for Windows, Mac if you have Intel chip, and for Apple chip, and for Linux. So before downloading the Docker in your Windows machine, all you have to do is that first, like the first step basically, just go to Windows search bar and type turn on feature on and off. If you're not getting that option, you can just basically go to like control panel, and here we have like programs, and here we have the option like turn Windows feature on or off. Just click on this one. Sorry for the background noise. Just click on this one, and here you will get a sort of option that is basically Hyper-V. Just expand this one, and you just need to check all of this folders. If you have, like in your case, if this folders like tick marks, the checkbox are disabled for you, so I've already made a video on this, like how you can enable this. So you have to basically restart your computer and go to the boot option, and from there, like BIOS, you can basically enable Hyper-V from there. So you can just go to this information link here, and you can just follow the steps in order to enable it. So just make sure that this option like Hyper-V, all the folders are basically checked, and once you click on OK, like all the necessary files will be installed in your machine. And once you're done with this step, all you have to do is that just go to like again to the same page like Docker website, and here just click on download for Windows or like whatever platform you have. And here we have, like as you can see that like the download has started, so it will take some time to download it. So the download is basically completed, and if you just double click on this one, and you can see that we're getting this window. Just click on run, and now the installer will launch, like the Docker installer. So here we have two options within the configuration. You just have to keep this checkbox as it is. You don't have to touch it. Just click on OK, and now you can see that like all the files are basically unpacking, and the Docker is basically installing in our machine. And this will take a few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes basically to install it, or maybe less than that. So I'll just quickly skip the video until the Docker desktop is getting installed. And now as you can see that like Docker desktop is finally installed in our machine. And sorry for the background noise guys, I'll just quickly close it. And now as you can see that like the Docker desktop is basically installed. And now if you double click on it to open it up, I've already logged into the Docker. So here you might have an option to continue with the Google. If you don't have any like account or something, you can create it, or you can just directly continue with the Google or Facebook. So once you're done with it, like this is sort of like the interface you will get, and you can start working on the Docker. So this is how you can basically install Docker in your Windows 10 machine guys, or Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to subscribe and install review, and catch you guys in the next video. Stay happy. Bye bye.